Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Learn Arabic with me, Mona. In this lesson, we will talk about some demonstrative pronouns in Arabic language. Demonstrative pronouns in Arabic language are divided into singular, dual, and plural. Today, we will focus on singular demonstrative pronouns. To understand what is demonstrative pronouns, it is like saying this in English. There are two ways to say this in Arabic. The first one is haذا. haذا. haذا is for singular masculine. The second one is haذihi. haذihi. haذihi is for singular feminine. This in Arabic means haذا. haذا is for singular, masculine, and near nouns. Or haذihi. haذihi is to refer to singular, feminine, near nouns. I said near because if the noun is far, we will use ذلك for singular masculine far, or تلك for singular feminine far. ذلك and تلك are not our topic today. We will take another lesson for them. But today, we will focus on haذا and haذihi. In this table, we will mention feminine words and masculine words from the words we learned in the previous lessons. We will start by masculine words. أسد. أسد. lion. أرنب. أرنب. rabbit. ولد. ولد. boy. باب. باب. door. شاي. شاي. tea. عصير. عصير. juice. Now, moving to feminine words. The first word is إبرة. إبرة. needle. يوزع. يوزع. goes. أذن. أذن. ear. أم. mother. بنت. بنت. girl. كرة. كرة. ball. I would like to mention that these words are not new. We have studied them together in previous lessons. Watch them if you didn't. Now, we will apply together how to use haذا and haذihi. So, what is this? This is a lion. هذا أسد. هذا أسد. We used هذا, not هذه. We used هذا because the word أسد is a masculine word. Look at the second picture. What is this? This is a rabbit. هذا أرنب. هذا أرنب. The word أرنب also is a masculine word, so we use haذا. The third picture. This is a boy. هذا ولد. هذا ولد. ولد is a masculine word. What is this? This is a door. هذا باب. هذا باب. This is a tea. هذا شاي. هذا شاي. We can also say this is a hot tea. هذا شاي ساخن. This is a juice. هذا عصير. هذا عصير. We can also say this is a cold juice. هذا عصير بارد. Note that the adjective in Arabic language comes after the word it describes, unlike English. In Arabic we say هذا شاي ساخن. ساخن comes after شاي. In English we say this is a hot tea. Hot comes before tea. This is a very important difference between Arabic and English. Let's move to feminine words and know how to use haathihi. haathihi is for singular feminine near words. This is a needle. هذه إبرة. هذه إبرة. This is a gauze. هذه إوزة. هذه إوزة. This is an ear. هذه أذن. هذه أذن. Another group of words. Again, tell me what is this? This is a mother. هذه هذه This is a girl. هذه بنت. هذه بنت. This is a ball. هذه كرة. هذه كرة. Now, let's look together at the lesson's picture. If I told you that شاي is a masculine word, شاي means tea. And if I told you that قهوة is a feminine word, قهوة means coffee. So شاي is a masculine word. So we can't use هذه. We will use هذا. هذا شاي. And قهوة is a feminine word. We will use haathihi with it. So this is a coffee means هذه قهوة. So the picture is completely wrong. هذه شاي or هذا قهوة is a completely wrong sentences. The right one is هذا شاي and هذه قهوة. Now we can easily use هذا and هذه. And we know that هذا is for singular masculine and هذه is for singular feminine words. At the end of my lesson, don't forget to like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel if you didn't subscribe it yet. Learn Arabic with me, Mona. Wait new lessons. Thank you for watching.